What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Today, we are in our miniature YouTube studio that we made in a previous video showcasing miniature Barbies from the dollar store. And I added our easy doll display cabinet on the side from a random doll stuff video. And then I was thinking, I'm a doll collector who collects a lot of different types of dolls, so Mini Toya should too. So I picked up MGA's Miniverse Mini Bratz Series 2. I found these at Target for $9.99 each. MGA loves that $9.99. Personally, I do think that is a little pricey. Hold that thought. I gotta check on my little silicone baby. What's up, Starla? Toya, didn't you pay over $100 for that silicone baby? Whatever, she's handmade. Don't judge me. Now let's get back to judging those brats. Sorry, it's early and I'm having too much fun. With Mini Bratz, we get 2 Mini Bratz inside. The packaging looks pretty much the same. It just says Series 2. I don't see any kind of code that could help us know what is inside. So let's just open it up. Remove the plastic and open the capsule. There's a collector's guide showing us 24 minis in this collection. There's Wintertime Collection, Pretty and Punk, Slumber Party, and a retro swing chair. Ooh, I want that. There's a motorcycle, a cruiser, and a styling head. I don't want the styling head. A Tokyo A-Go-Go doll. On the other side, we see 4 character dolls, Girls Night Out, and Rock Angels. Confession, I was never a big Bratz collector, but I do consider myself a Mini Bratz collector, and I pretty much want all the dolls. Our first one is Kiana. I'm probably going to say a lot of the names wrong, so prepare yourself, and I apologize. Mini Bratz come in a little doll box. There are details on the back, and the dolls are removable. They are super tiny, they are painted, finished all the way around, and are attached to a base so they can stand. On our doll shelf, they are so small, so we could leave them in their packaging. I think I am going to move the Barbies so they are in the back, then place the Bratz in the front. The Bratz packaging can be turned into a display, so we could just place our minis in there. Let's see what the other doll is. I don't have any cheat codes or anything, so I hope we don't end up with a ton of doubles today. It's Fianna Tokyo A-Go-Go. Here's the back. This doll has long pink braids, green pants, a black top, and a scarf. And she's going on the shelf. I kinda like the height difference since Barbies are taller than Bratz. But we have a lot of shelves to fill, so let's keep going. In case you didn't know, Dolls for Dolls are one of my absolute favorite things. And we are about to get Chloe Girls Night Out. It's a night you'll never forget. Yeah, because we're getting mini dolls. Here's Chloe dressed in blue with a silver necklace and long blonde hair. Our second mini doll is Jade Rock Angels. They're rockin' hot and rockin' your world. These 2 are totally going on the shelf. Capsule number 3. I really hope we get that retro swing chair. And I would love to see more furniture and playsets in miniature. Just throwing that out there. Ooh, we got Girls Night Out Yasmin. Yeah, I'm liking those fancy clothes. She has a seriously long ponytail. And I just realized I never showed a close-up of Jade out of the box. So here she is in all black. Wait, her pants might be a dark denim. And she has long hair with highlights. Loving the details. It's always in the details. And this is a car. Personally, I could do without the cars, but that's just me. The wheels really roll, but seriously, playsets. we're just adding the mini doll to the shelf. Capsule number 4. This feels like a doll box, and this feels like a doll box. Just don't be the giant head. Yay! This is Kumi, and the other one is Yasmin, Pretty and Punk. I did notice we don't have any twins this series. Kumi is wearing a little hat, a skirt, and tall boots, and has long black hair. Yasmin is wearing some plaid pants, has a little shimmer to her blue top, and has brown hair with some blue highlights. Capsule number 5. So far, no doubles. That's awesome. Here is Nevra, which means we only need one more to finish this row. And in this bag, we have... It's Megan, Pretty and Punk, which happens to be the character that we need, but just in a different collection. Here's Nevra out of the box. Sorry if I am saying that wrong, but she has a fur coat, black pants with a little detail at the bottom, the little hat, and long brown hair. Megan has plaid pants, a black top, and brown hair with red highlights. Our little doll shelves are filling up, and I love it. Let's grab a couple that we already have, like this one from the advent calendar, and add them to the shelf. Their bases are pretty small. I'm sure there's room for them all. Hey, I rhyme. Capsule number 6. This one feels like another rock angel. Let's see, which one is it? It's Jade, a double. So this is our first double of the day. Not too bad, considering we've already opened 5 and there has been no doubles. Is the second one going to be a double too? Yes, we have a second Chloe Girls Night Out. Okay, capsule number 7. This feels like the little trapezoid doll box. And we have Wintertime Dana. I love the Wintertime dolls. Plus, that's a new one, so yeah. And our second one is Girls Night Out, Sasha. Sasha is wearing a little red asymmetrical dress with silver jewelry. It looks like her hair is in some braids, pulled back into a ponytail. Dana is dressed for cold weather, has her little goggles and everything. Her hair is brown. I love the little beanie and all the little fur details. I need all the Wintertime dolls and the slumber party and the swing chair. But we only have 2 capsules left, which means only 4 more minis. Okay, here we have... Oh, cool. It's a guy. I am going to destroy his name. Sorry, but Ethan. And the other one is, watch it be the motorcycle. Yep. But you know what? It's not too bad because it looks like a pretty good scale to the doll. Here you can see the pictures on the back. Out of the box, he is still a little larger than the bike. Yeah. He comes wearing baggy black pants with a little chain on the side. There's a blue shirt, little graphic on the front. Looks like some gray sleeves, gray and black, and it's gray on the back. The bike is red and silver and has a little articulation. It can move. How cool is that? I guess we can add it to the shelf. And now we have 2 guys, one from Series 2 and another from Series 1. And this is our last capsule and our last chance to find the swing chair. Urgh. Here we go. Just don't be a double. Don't be a double. Don't be a double. If I can't have the swing chair, I would be happy with the Wintertime collection. Just don't be a double. What? It's a double! Are you serious? Why does this always happen? So if we got him again, this is probably the motorcycle again. It is! Yeah, not the finale I was looking for. But we do have room on our shelves for a few more Mini Bratz, so I guess we'll just have to try again. Mini Bratz Series 2 is still bringing us all those lovely little details. And in this series, the stands have a little bit of a shimmer compared to last series. And in my opinion, they are the perfect size to be dolls for dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Mini Bratz Series 2. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.